I'm going to share with you a wonderful recipe. Baked pasta ai 4 formaggi, 4 cheeses. I made a bechamel sauce first, a little flour, butter, a little bit of milk, and I put some grana cheese in there, and there's robiola cheese, which is a soft cheese. Here I have some taleggio and fontina, and that goes in. Let's fish out the pasta. Let's mix that. We're gonna top it all with a mixture of breadcrumbs and grated grana cheese. Let's put some grana cheese right into the pasta. It goes right into the baking pan. Top it with the breadcrumbs. We'll put it in the oven, 375 degrees. Here it is. And we're ready to serve. Delicious.